Is your EA Sports Madden NFL 27 not launching, crashing, stuttering, freezing, lagging, and all those other stuff? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get to this quick and easy tutorial. So the first thing that I'd recommend is basically shut down the game, close Steam or EA app entirely, and a basic restart or PPC, or basically what I do is basically shut down first and then wait for the game, wait for the PC to load back up for about a minute and then relaunch the game. If that doesn't fix, or if you've already done that, let's move on to the next step. Basically on your Steam right over here, click on library on the top left, right click on Maiden right over here, click properties. On this new window, on the left panel, click install files and verify integrity of game files. So it might it's gonna fix any corrupted files or missing files that might cause not launching or lagging on your game. So wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you should see all files successfully validated. Once done, go ahead and close that out and relaunch your game. Now if the problem still persists, let's move on to the next step. Basically, on the library or on Steam, right click on your game once more, hover up to manage, browse local files. Over here, right click on the game and then run as administrator. Now sometimes it bypasses or meets the criteria for the game and the sync for the servers as well, so it might fix. So go ahead and do that. Now if the problem still persists, let's move on to the next step. Now we have to go ahead and make sure that our GPU drivers are up to date and to the newest one. So to do that, click on your start menu on the bottom left and type in NVIDIA app. Open it up. This window should pop up. On the left panel, click on drivers over here, and as you can see, this page should look like this. You should be able to see new and GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on download, and an install button should pop up right over here once the download is done. Go ahead and click on install. A new window will pop up right over here, and click on express installation and continue. For now, we're doing a tutorial, so let's skip for those. Now go ahead and do that. Once the installation is done, restart your PC for full effect of your GPU's new driver and relaunch your game. Now what I recommend over here, if that doesn't work, click on your start menu and type in graphic settings. Click on graphic settings. Over here, make sure your hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. Once you turn that on, your PC will need to restart, or it will ask you to restart your PC. Just go ahead and do that and save, and it should fix. Now if this video helped you, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.